Welcome, everyone. So, what are you doing on this Saturday afternoon? I wanted to have some fun today. It came to my attention that a lot of my friends and family is getting burnt. They're forgetting to put on sunscreen. So, guys, it's super important that you put on sunscreen. So, I'm going to actually teach you how to make a after sun spray. So, this is super easy, super fun. But I just wanted to touch on something before. My friends and family tend to make fun of me for using this, but it works. So I know a lot of people are looking for natural sunscreens. So what I use is our baby diaper rash cream. It has zinc oxide in it. So literally, how many of you all? I was a soccer player, so I always had the zinc oxide on my nose. So it's not nearly that hard to rub in, but and it has essential oils in it, so it's literally incredible. You just have to make sure you get it everywhere. Now I have a couple of times not gotten it everywhere, and then I just use this after sun spray, and it literally takes care of it. But again, I just use the baby diaper rash cream. And how many of y'all have actually made your own sunscreens? So comment below if you've actually made your own sunscreens, and post the recipe. If you're all interested in me making a natural sunscreen, just comment below and we will do that together. Super fun, super excited about that. So, but if you're watching today, or it's really hot outside, so please, guys, wear sunscreen. Because I don't want you guys fried. Take care of your skin and nourish it and put on that sunscreen. If if you want to go outside and just get a few minutes, that's fine. But get that sunscreen on, because it was like almost 100 degrees yesterday. So tell me where you're watching from if you hop on here, and literally we're going to make this. Now I've posted a couple recipes as far as after sun spray, but I actually developed a blend myself as well. So I'm actually going to show you that blend today. So some of the oils that are really good to really take care of the skin after you've been in it and your skin's like literally burnt, fried. How many of us really, the skin doesn't like it? I mean, the sun doesn't like us that well. So I urge you to take care of your skin. So back on track. So lavender is a great oil. Copahiba is another one. Frankincense is another one. Yarrow palm really will nourish the skin as well. So that's another great one to use. Peppermint is amazing. So if you put any type of peppermint or any type of mint, that will cool it off. So I always like to put like a mint in anything if I've been out in the sun too much. So we're going to get started. So I like to use aloe as well. And I also like to use like a carrier oil. So if you have like olive oil around the house or fractionated coconut oil, I like to play around with it. So today I'm going to put sunflower seed oil in there, and I'm going to use lavender. Sorry, forgot my oils. Yarrow palm, frankincense, and then the peppermint. You can actually choose to use spearmint. So, but just like literally take a 4 ounce. To keep it simple, you can literally put like 10 drops, pick 3 or 4 oils. You can play around with it and see what's best for your skin, because the important thing is to know about essential oils and know about the human body is our chemistries are all different. So what works for me, we may need to just fine tune it for you. And if you need help doing that, just hit me up in a text message or DM me and I will help you with that. So the recipe, and I've posted some literally, just hit on my page and you'll see some different simple recipes, but I actually just developed this one this morning. So I'm using the lavender for my core. So I'm doing this like at a 2.5 dilution ratio. So I'm going to put like 39 drops of lavender in here. And if you lose count, that's all right. You just get a couple extra more. So tell me what you're doing today. Okay. 39 of lavender. Tell me where you're watching from. Tell me if you've done any traveling. Are you staying safe? Okay, so the next one is frankincense, and we're literally going to do 27 drops of frankincense. Okay, so the next one we're going to do yarrow pom. So what we're going to do with yarrow pom, we're going to do 16 drops of yarrow pom. And again, guys, this is like a 2.5 ratio in a 4-ounce bottle. I mean, look how blue that is. I mean, isn't that amazing? I also love putting this on my skin at night. It's incredible. Okay, and the last one is peppermint, okay? And we're going to do 11 drops of peppermint to really cool down the tissue. And guys, this does not take long at all. Okay, so you can just pick your carrier oil to choice. And again, I'm using sunflower seed oil. If you have avocado oil, you can put some of that. And I just like to do a little bit, kind of equal parts of carrier oil. And you can also use witch hazel, but I like using a carrier oil to keep it on that area even longer because my skin is so sensitive. So I'm just putting some aloe. And this aloe is really super thick. Okay, and then I'm just going to use a little bit more carrier oil. And guys, I mean, it's that simple. I mean, that's it. And this is good to have on hand because, I mean, if you have it on hand, you don't have to worry about it. You can just come in and literally spray it on you. Or if you carry it around and you have a friend or family member that it gets burnt really easily. And so that's it. I always like to label everything. That way you know what you have. And literally we just label this. And then I like to put tape around it. So we're just going to label this sunburn. Or you can do after sun spray. And I like to put like what oils that I actually have in this so that if someone really likes it, I can simply just tell them the blend. Or they can take their phone and take a picture of it. I mean, because this is super easy. Anyone can do this. It is not complicated at all. And then I just like to put the percentage of dilution and the date that I made it. Okay, that's it. And then I like to put tape around it so in case I get it wet or I get the oil when I'm trying to spray my back, if I get the oil on the bottle, it doesn't mess up the label. And I can just clean this and use this again. And I already have the recipe, so I don't even have to look up anything. The recipe's right there. It's that easy. And it absolutely smells incredible. So if you would like to learn how to make anything else, again, recap, all you need is some oils, 4-ounce spray bottle, some carrier oil. If you have avocado oil, grapeseed oil is great for the skin. It's really nourishing. Fractionated coconut is also another great one that's for the skin. So literally just, things that you have around the house, just use that. And then get you a really good grade of aloe, okay? And then your skin is protected, and it will, really help support that tissue after that burn. But again, get some sunscreen of some sort. We can't recommend this as far as percentage of how much this protects you. This is just what I do. Because it has the zinc oxide in it. Literally, if I miss a spot, the only spot that gets burnt is the spot that I miss. So if you have any questions, comment below, and I'll see you next time. You guys have a wonderful Saturday. Bye.